Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jason, and for this video, we are going to take a look at resume and cover letter templates using AtoZ databases. So the first step is we want to go to the Burlingame Library website. Now we want to go to Research. Under Research, we want to go to AtoZ databases. The next step is to put in your library card number. If you don't have a Burlingame Public Library card, you can use your county card or any card part of the Peninsula Library System or PLS card. So now that we're logged in, under Find a Job, you're going to see the cover letters, resumes, and tips. Now, under step 2, Apply for Job, you want to go to the resume and cover letters, templates, and examples. So now there are different types of resumes: chronological, functional, and plain. And let me show you an example of the template. So here's a template. I am using Pages. You can also use Microsoft Word. What's really nice about the templates is that it's already pre-formatted. All you have to do is replace the information. For example, I'm going to replace this name right here. You just have to double click, highlight, and replace. So for example, job title, I'm just going to put Burlingame Public Library. So it's really easy to use. So let me show you a finished example provided by AtoZ databases. So here's what a finished example looks like. Okay, let me show you cover letters. So for cover letters, you have the most common situations, if the job has salary expectations, or if you're an intern. So it's the same thing. Like I said, it is compatible with Microsoft Word as well. All you have to do is highlight and replace. So it's really helpful. And definitely take a look at the finished examples as well if you need some ideas. It's a great way to get started. Okay, let me show you a finished example. Right here. Very useful stuff. And lastly, let me show you a reference sheet template. So really straightforward. And then a finished example again. So I highly recommend this database when you're looking for a certain type of template for your resumes and cover letters. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.